Having trouble adding tickets to your Apple Wallet? This frustrating issue affects many users, but understanding the main causes can help you resolve it quickly. Ticket addition failures fall into four main categories. Wrong file format causes 15 to 20% of issues. Poor internet connectivity accounts for 25% of problems. Expired or invalid tickets cause 30% of failures. And regional restrictions can also prevent ticket addition. First, ensure your ticket is in the correct PK-Pass format. Apple Wallet only accepts tickets in this specific format, which includes proper digital signatures and required metadata fields. Second, verify you have a stable internet connection. About 25% of ticket addition failures occur due to poor connectivity during the process. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data if you experience issues. Third, double-check your ticket's validity. Expired or invalid tickets cause 30% of addition failures. Verify the expiration date, event details, and ensure the ticket came from a legitimate source. Apple has significantly improved the Apple Wallet experience in iOS 18. The update includes enhanced error messaging, better format compatibility, and more specific guidance when issues occur. Make sure your device is updated to take advantage of these improvements. By addressing these four main categories, file format, internet connectivity, ticket validity, and regional restrictions, you can resolve most Apple Wallet ticket addition issues. The improved error messaging in iOS 18 will also help guide you to the specific solution you need. When basic troubleshooting fails to resolve Apple Wallet ticket issues, advanced system-level fixes become necessary. The foundation starts with ensuring your device meets current requirements. Storage space is critical for ticket processing. Apple Wallet requires a minimum of 1 gigabyte of free storage to properly handle ticket downloads and processing. When direct ticket addition fails, alternative access methods provide reliable workarounds. QR code scanning offers the most universal compatibility across different ticket providers. For ticket providers and developers, implementing proper validation tools is essential. Apple's Pass Validator tool ensures tickets meet all technical requirements before distribution. Certificate management represents the most critical technical aspect for developers. Regular renewal and proper server-side validation prevent the majority of ticket addition failures. The digital ticketing landscape continues to evolve rapidly. Industry projections indicate that by 2026, over 90% of major ticketing platforms will achieve full Apple Wallet compatibility, significantly reducing current integration issues.